Little bunny, wake up now. Morning sunshine, take a bow. Hop, hop, hop so high. Touch the fluffy clouds in the sky. Clap your paws, spin around. Happy bunny dancing on the ground. Smile so big, wiggle your ears. Let's play together, give 3 cheers. Little elephant, big hello. Time to splash and off we go. Splash, splash, splash all day. Spray the water, laugh and play. Stomp your feet, swing your trunk. Dance around with happy fun. Wave goodbye with a happy smile. Let's meet another friend in a little while. Little monkey swings so high. Wave hello up to the sky. Swing, swing, swing so free. Happy monkey in the tree. Peel a banana, take a bite. Dance with joy from morning till night. Clap your hands, shout hooray! Hooray! Let's meet another friend today. Little penguin, nice and bright. Waddle, waddle, what a sight. Waddle, waddle, left and right. Slide on ice so smooth and light. Flap your wings and spin around. Happy feet on snowy ground. Smile so big, hip hooray. Little lion, bright and bold. Golden sunshine, heart of gold. Roar, roar, roar so loud. Stand up strong and make us proud. Stomp your paws, swish your tail. Brave little lion, never fail. Big bright smile, hip hooray. Let's meet another friend today. Little giraffe, tall and bright. Reach the treetops, what a sight. Stretch, stretch, way up high. Wave hello up to the sky. Tap your feet, swing your tail. Happy giraffe on the trail. Smile so wide, hip hooray. Let's meet another friend today. Little panda, soft and sweet. Happy dancing on your feet. Chew, chew, bamboo green. Yummiest snack you've ever seen. Clap your paws, spin around. Happy panda, dance around. Wave goodbye, smile today. Let's meet another friend. And little fox, orange bright, dancing in the morning light. Twirl, twirl, nice and slow. Watch your fluffy tail just flow. Tap your feet, jump with glee. Happy fox beneath the tree. Smile so wide, clap away.